Party, yes. Jump in now. Okay. Keep going. Yeah. Pretty hot out here, isn't it? Want to jump in the river? All right. Go to your orientation or wherever. All right. We'll see you later when it's a little bit colder.
Yeah, and the lack of Bellamy support. No, we got money for them, right?
Dar can't. She's gonna get cocked before she goes in.
No, I got shot. No,
That's straight up, right?
No. Pat had a shot. Oh, okay. I'm not shocked.
All right, we're about half an hour from D-Day.
Yes.
Water temp 33 degrees.
Yeah.
Cake.
All the rest is Bellamy.
And I don't think Dar's gonna wear that big jacket, but anyway, we'll find out later on. Over and out. Come on, get in there. Four teachers from Bellamy School, 300 teachers, only 4 show up.
That's bad.
That's bullshit. Hope this video works here. They're going in. Too many people coming up. I can't even see them going in. I like that. That's crap. Well, they'll be coming up wet any second now. Here she comes a little bit. Towel. All right, right up there. Go ahead, keep going.
Where's my sweatshirt?
Keep going. Sweatshirt, I gotta go. Come on, here's your sweatshirt. Follow her, come on.
That is not right.